Hey Victoria, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. I'm going to go over your ticket with you for a sec here. Okay, so right off the bat, just to show you the difference between a sales page and an order form page. So right here, you see we're on a sales page, and these are the tabs available here, right? So the reason you'll see the difference here, as soon as I click on to my order page, the order form page, you'll see that I have the ability to add products. Okay, as to where the sales page, you don't have that option. Okay, so it wouldn't be you wouldn't be able to add an order form here. Okay, because you don't have the ability to add products. Okay, so what you can do is if you want to create a variation to test two versions of a sales page, what you can do is you can come here, right, and then you can come here and create a split test. Excuse me, real quick. All right, so you can create a split test, okay, and that will create two different versions of your sales page. So so when you use your main link here out on an ad, and as people come through the main link, periodically the system will rotate between the two variations of the pages, okay, but ultimately sending them to the same order page, okay? So I hope that makes sense. So what you're referring to, two variations would be a split test, and you'd want to do that here on your sales page, okay? Because that's where you're going to see which sales page is going to convert, and then using the correct link, you need to make sure that they go through the initial link. Like a lot of people make the mistake of grabbing this link here and throwing it on an ad, and then wonder why their statistics don't work. You'll need to use this link because between this link here and this link here, there's a couple links in the background that you don't see. But basically what they do is they go from the initial link through the links in the background, triggering the statistics to start to trigger to read the engagement with your page, okay? So you use this, it goes through to here, and then it will go through to both variations of your sales page. And then ultimately, as they choose their selection and move on to the purchase, they'll go here into the order form, okay? So I hope that explains that pretty clear for you. If you have any more questions or you need anything broken down for you, please go ahead and ask. Thanks.